Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do Bisibelabath using broken wheat, and we are going to do this with freshly homemade masala. First take a cup of broken wheat. To this add a cup of water and let the wheat be soaked in water for at least half an hour. Next take a lemon sized tamarind. Add a cup of water and soak this for at least 10 minutes. Next take 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of split chickpeas, 1 teaspoon of split black gram, half a teaspoon of peppercorns, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 or 3 dry chilies. Don't add oil, we are going to dry roast this. Once it got roasted well, allow it to cool down and transfer this into a mixie jar. Powder this as fine as possible. Our masala is ready. Now take a pressure cooker, add some oil. To this add 1 chopped onion, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida and few curry leaves. Saute this well until the onions turns translucent. Once the onions are done, you can add the vegetables. Here I am adding 1 drumstick, 1 carrot, quarter cup of green peas, 3 to 4 beans, 1 potato and 1 tomato. To this add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and the required amount of salt. Saute everything well for few minutes. Now let us add 1 or 2 chopped brinjal into this. To this add the prepared masala and few coriander leaves. Once the vegetables are sauteed for few minutes, you can add half cup of split chickpeas. This is soaked in water for half an hour, and the soaked broken wheat. Give everything a nice mix and add the tamarind water. This is a soaked tamarind which is mashed and filtered. Along with this add 2 cups of water. Give this a nice mix. To this add the required amount of salt. Give a nice mix and close the pressure cooker. We are going to pressure cook this for 3 to 4 whistles. Here the Bisibelabath is ready. Next is tempering. First we are going to fry few cashew nuts in oil. Here the cashew nuts are ready. Let us add this into the Bisibelabath. In the remaining oil, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of black gram, few curry leaves and 1 or 2 dry chilies. This is also ready. Let us add this. Along with this, add 2 teaspoons of ghee and few coriander leaves and give a nice mix. So here our broken wheat Bisibelabath is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.